Moringa, or drumstick plant, is full of nutrients good for our body immunity. The leaves of moringa have 7 times more vitamin C than citrus fruit and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It is rich in iron, calcium, amino acids, protein, which help our body to heal and build muscles. Hence, it is good for growing children. It is also packed with antioxidants that protect cells from damage and may boost our immune system. It is treasure of health-packed content and good for all ages. So let us see how we can use moringa leaves to make a healthy and nutritious soup. We will need tender moringa leaves, some sliced onion, a cut tomato, and 3 flakes of garlic sliced. Don't forget to add salt to taste. Now put all this in a pressure cooker and cook till tender. When cooled, open the cooker. Isn't it simple? If you want the clear soup, then pass the mixture through a sieve. Now you can add pepper to it. But I prefer to put everything in a blender to get a smooth paste. Now pour it into a bowl or a container and serve it in a bowl. Rich, nutritious moringa soup is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Like and comment in the comment box. In the meantime, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for your precious time.